When it comes to danger, venomous snakes are nature's most efficient predators. Today, we'll count down the 20 most venomous snakes in the world, each armed with fangs and deadly toxins. Inland Taipan, the deadliest snake on Earth. Its venom could kill 100 humans with one bite. Coastal Taipan strikes with lightning speed and extreme venom potency. Black Mamba, fastest snake in the world, reaching 12 miles per hour. King Cobra, the longest venomous snake, known for killing other snakes. Eastern brown snake, responsible for most snakebite deaths in Australia. Common Krait causes paralysis while the victim appears calm. Russell's Viper, one of India's big four deadly snakes. Saw-scaled viper, tiny but responsible for many deaths across Asia. Tiger snake, found in Australia, marked with tiger-like stripes. Philippine Cobra, known for its extremely potent neurotoxic venom. Forest cobra, the largest of the cobras, found in African forests. Monocled cobra, easily identified by the circular hood mark. Mozambique spitting cobra, spits venom with deadly accuracy into eyes. Banded Krait, bold black and yellow bands, but very elusive. Fer-de-Lance, aggressive and highly venomous viper in Central America. Bushmaster, the largest viper in the Americas. Gaboon Viper has the longest fangs in the snake world. Puff adder, one of Africa's most dangerous snakes. Boomslang, a tree snake with hemotoxic venom. Eastern Diamondback rattlesnake, the largest rattlesnake armed with potent venom. Venomous snakes may inspire fear, but they're also vital for balancing ecosystems and even for creating life-saving medicines. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments.